Hello, everyone. My name is Miguel, and I am a developer here at Creating Margin. What I'm going to be demonstrating today is the kiosk we made for our customer Mike. You will notice some things are blurred, and that's just to maintain the anonymity of our customer. Let's go ahead and jump right in. What you're looking at right here is the screensaver. This video is playing in loop while no one is interacting with the kiosk. As soon as someone touches the screen, it will send them to this main menu. We're going to explore each page. I'll try not to talk too much, but hopefully this gives you a good idea of the type of work we can do, the interactivity that we can create for you and your customer. This is a kiosk that is at the headquarters of the nonprofit, and the purpose is to give more information to the staff about what they do and how they can volunteer and make a difference in the world. We're just going to go from left to right. Let's go ahead and jump right into About Us. So it gives you two options. Let's go ahead and go into Overview. What we have here is on the left side, we have a video that a user can click and it'll play. This does have audio. The kiosk does have speakers connected, so the audio does play through those speakers. A user can just pause it at any time and play it as well. On this right-hand side, we have some information about the history, the purpose, the mission, and the core values. You'll notice at the top, we kind of have this map that is highlighting the current section that you're viewing. So if I click purpose, it'll transition to purpose, mission, and core values. Go ahead and go back one page onto the other one. This is more or less the same layout, a video to the left and some info on the right. The cool thing about this tab is when you click the Explore, it'll send you to a new page that has a timeline design, where each one of these icons, these boxes, can be clicked, and it'll show you these cards at the top with more information. You can click through each one, and it'll give you some more details. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the home page. Let's enter this needs of the world. This layout right here is kind of a, you can think of it as kind of like a slideshow timeline type of layout, where we have the thumbnails down here, and you can click on a different thumbnail to get information about that. I go back one page. The same page is the same idea. It has that slideshow timeline type of layout. Opportunities. I won't go into the pages here. It is going to show some logos that we don't want to show. But the idea behind this stage is to give the employees an idea of who they work with and any opportunities that they can volunteer for. Testimonials is a cool page. It kind of has this fade in and out type of slideshow where it just gives a preview of a quote that the testimonial has given about how volunteering has impacted their life. You can click one of these testimonials and it will expand and show you a small video of the person and what they did, as well as the full quote that is being shown at this page. Another page we have is Find Your Place. This one is similar to Needs of the World, where it has the timeline slideshow layout. The last page is a form in which a user can input their information and then send it off in email form. This does get sent to an employee at the nonprofit with the information that the user has filled out here. That gives nonprofit a chance to reach out to them and get more information on, if they want to volunteer or anything else they can do to make a change in the world. One of the cool things about this design is that it also emphasized the idea of anyone being able to go up to the kiosk and interact with it. So it does have what we call an ADA menu, where the tabs are lower on the screen, so anyone who is possibly in a wheelchair can still interact with the kiosk no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and just enter a page to show you how that worked. And that's more or less the project. This recording was done on a computer, but it looks so much better on a live kiosk at the headquarters of the nonprofit. I hope this gave you an idea of what Creating Margin can do. And if this inspired you to have something like this at your location, please reach out to us, and we're excited to hear from you.